Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, refers to a form of AI that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks at a level equal to or beyond human capabilities. Unlike current AI systems, which are specialized and limited to specific tasks like playing chess or recognizing images, AGI would have the ability to reason, plan, solve problems, and think creatively like a human. The development of AGI is considered one of the most ambitious goals in the field of AI, and it could revolutionize industries from healthcare to education. However, it also raises ethical concerns and questions about control, as AGI could potentially surpass human intelligence and make decisions autonomously. Researchers are still exploring how to build AGI, and it remains a theoretical concept at this point, but the potential impact of AGI is enormous. For more insights into the future of AI technology and the challenges of developing AGI, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.